Hello, you probably wonder when it's going to happen, when he's going to get a Hunter. Well, it finally happened. This is a 1991 Hunter Summer Breeze 52-inch in white and polished brass finish. I got new in the box from fan collector Sean Brown from the Dangerous Tackles forum. And this fan was completely it's the first fully new in the box fan I got. Everything was still wrapped in something. It has never ever been used or mounted or put in together or anything like it. All the blades were sealed and all the parts were in little plastic bags. It's 100% complete and it works really well. It's super silent. It's as silent as a Casablanca, for example. Here is the box in perfect condition. I love the design and the colors on it. Hunter Original, wow. And it's still got all the everything inside, of course, just like a brand new fan you buy in the store today. It even has, that's the owner manual and instructions how to mount it, still there in perfect condition. And the owner's registration card is here. All in perfect shape. And yes, you probably notice the canopy that is shown on the box is not the one I got. That is a generic classic ball and socket canopy from the late 80s, and I got the early 90s version that has the more like the 90s Hunter canopy that is more flat. That is exactly what I meant. This is the 90s Hunter canopy. It's very flat and wide, and you probably notice it has screws on the sides and no screws at the bottom. It mounts pretty much the same way as end-con fans, which means it's the canopy that holds the weight of the fan. I really don't like that type of mounting. It's kind of annoying and long to install. I wish I would have got a generic ball and socket canopy like it's shown on the box. But you know, they don't always update their pictures. I love how the down rod is very thick, just like on the Casablanca fans, and it's very short. It's nice. That's the top view, and it's got the Hunter logo here, like in the metal like this. It's beautiful. I love it. The bottom plate has like a big lip here, which is pretty unique to those fans. And what I like the most about those Hunter fans is, of course, the switch housing, which is very unique about those. The shape of it, basically, and the switch cap. I love the switch cap on these. Has like those round designs here, and has again the Hunter in the metal here in the middle. And that tassel is just a Westinghouse tassel I added to it. Looks gorgeous. I love it. Another thing I like a lot about this model compared to a lot of other Hunters, it's that it has pointed tip blades. So that's the, it has 4 blades, of course, so that's the first generation of Summer Breeze. It just has a 90s canopy because it was made in March 1991, but other than that it has 4 blades, not 5, of course. So like I said earlier, it works perfectly. No wobble, no noises. The bearings are soundless. It's humless. It's just as quiet as a Casablanca. Here it is on high speed. It goes at about 200 RPMs. Moves excellent air. Wow, nice breeze. Medium speed now. Medium speed is a very regular medium. It goes about 130 RPMs, I'll say. And low speed. Low speed is faster than what I expected. It goes at about 60 RPMs. I've seen most of the time these Hunter going at 50 RPMs on low. But that, I guess the 4-blade version goes faster than the 5. Still moves a lot of air on low for low speed. I feel like a lot of air right now in my hand. Thanks a lot for the fan, Sean. I'm very happy with it. And thank you for watching.